Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 15th, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.31. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation as it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, and indications point towards a potential rise within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 8% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 4.5% to 13.75%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it estimates a change of about 36% over the next year, with a potential return varying between 18% and 43%. This suggests a price range of approximately $729.44 to $882.92 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Meta Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Meta stock price increased by 3.85% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025. It rose from $594.25 to $617.12. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.63%, with a low of $606.50 and a high of $622.46. The price has shown volatility during this period, with an overall gain of 4.38% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with 900,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 14 million shares changed hands for approximately $8.91 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $638.40, while the lowest price was $358.61. Currently, the price stands 3.33%, or $21.28, below the 52-week high of $638.40, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is generating considerable investor interest as its stock price has climbed due to several favorable developments. The company is viewed as a strong beneficiary of a potential TikTok ban, which is expected to take effect soon. This situation positions Meta's platforms, particularly Facebook and Instagram, to capture the audience and advertising revenues that TikTok would lose, promising significant growth in both engagement and income in the latter half of 2025. In addition to this strategic advantage, recent reports indicate a cooler-than-expected inflation rate, positively influencing investor sentiment. This development signals a potentially more favorable economic environment for growth stocks like Meta. Furthermore, the company's decision to lay off 5% of its staff is interpreted as a move towards increased efficiency, which can enhance profitability in the short term. However, Meta faces some controversy with its recent changes to content moderation policies, which involve eliminating professional fact-checkers in favor of user-generated content moderation. While this could streamline operations, it may raise concerns about the integrity and credibility of information shared on its platforms, potentially impacting user trust and engagement in the long run. The addition of 200 megawatts of solar power to its renewable portfolio demonstrates Meta's commitment to sustainability, aligning with investor preferences for environmentally responsible companies. This initiative could strengthen its brand image and appeal to a broader range of investors over time. Overall, the combination of strategic positioning against TikTok, operational efficiency measures, and a focus on sustainability is likely to enhance Meta's stock performance in both the short and long term, even as some risks persist regarding its content policies. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 13th, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, January 10th, 2025, KeyBank also assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, January 7th, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported a similar overweight rating for Meta, maintaining a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, Wolfe Research gave Meta an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. Finally, on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, JMP Securities assigned Meta an outperform rating, also with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a decline, support is anticipated around $613.48 and $603.38. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.08%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 113 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 106 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $591.80, a level that may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences strong trading volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is assessed to be low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.96, which is a 2.63% change between its high and low. In the last week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 2.99%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of January, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at $6.75. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $617.89. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 1,761 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 38.208. In total, insiders purchased 68,838 shares and sold 155,035 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $589.59, reflecting a decrease of 4.46%. This stock experiences low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a strong sell to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of January, we anticipate that Meta will open down by $1.76, starting at $615.36. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of loss, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.